Did you see where they hid? Well, it's time to go find them, and this is why we gotta find them.
Why do we have to find them, assistant? Oh, wait a minute, we've got 3 dogs here ready to help.
Yeah.
And they are members of PAW Patrol as well, right? They've got their mighty, well, they're not really members of PAW Patrol. But, so what do they gotta do, assistant?
So, they have to first go down this mini little ramp.
Oh, with Mayor Humdinger right there.
Look.
Why don't you watch out so I can get it from the front here, so they've got to go down this play set, right? Oh,
Hey, guys.
you guys jumped in the way. Yeah, Waggles, you're not going to go down it.
Okay, well, okay.
And then they've got to go down the ramp and then to the mighty lookout tower, right?
Right, and it looks like we got a bit of a traffic jam.
We do, but we've not found our first pup
Come on,
yet.
Wheels.
All right, let's go. So I think we have some general clues on where people would hide.
Yeah.
Like, let's go over to the digger over there and see if there's anyone over there.
Yeah, because I feel like that's something a PAW Patrol pup would be in.
Yeah, me too. So here we are. Here's the digger.
Waffles does it out like this ball, so I'll just kick it out of the way.
Yep. I wonder if there's anyone over there.
Huh. Is there anything in there, guys?
Do you see anything?
What are you eating, Waffles? What? Look, in there!
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Rubble on the double was hiding.
And he's like in this little sleep car, right?
Let's see if Wiggles likes it.
All right, let's. Wiggles, did you get it? Do you want it to go down the tower? We got to go see if it'll.
Ah!
Wiggles, you like Rubble, don't you? All right, so let's go over here. We've got to see if we can make it up. So it's got to start on this little one right here. And it goes on. So it goes on right here. And then, whoops.
Waggles. What's going on?
So this elevator goes all the way up.
Okay, hold on. Let's board the elevator.
Around and around.
Okay.
And then he's facing the wrong way, so he's gonna go the right way. And then this just lifts up, and then he just goes down the ramp. But you guys are not helping with the ramp.
If you want to be up here, you can go right here.
All right, so let's see how far they go.
Okay. No!
He fell. Let's try it again. All right, so come on, Rubble, you can make it. You can make it. I guess he's maybe.
Okay, maybe less of a head start. Oh, it's.
All right, let's have him go down the mighty power, the PAW Patrol mighty tower.
Okay.
See,
Wiggles.
Wiggles is trying to show him how to do it.
This is the best feature.
Yeah. Ooh.
Here
But
we go.
here's the thing, it's got to go up because he's just going to run right into that ramp right there. So he's got to pull forward a little bit.
All right.
All right, let's extend it out all the way.
Wiggles.
All right. There we go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wiggle.
Oh, they ran into you because you were in the way. Wiggles, can you move? Wiggles, can you move? We need you to move, buddy. There we go. All right. Try it again.
Whoa.
All right, let's see if he'll just go down the ramp and then up the lookout tower. So that ramp. So Rubble didn't like these. Because look, here's Mayor Humdinger, and he's supposed to fall.
Bro,
right?
Wiggles.
Wiggles, you're causing problems, buddy.
Here we go. Wait, let's make sure it's lined up. Oh, so close. No.
All right, so how this is supposed to work, right? How this is supposed to work is Mayor Humdinger hangs out right here. Wiggles is really causing problems.
Wiggles.
Wiggles, I really don't know what you're doing, buddy. Humdinger.
Look at it on this side. Look, his chin was just resting on it.
So Humdinger hangs out here. Where's Rubble at? Hand me the Rubble.
Rubble is really far away.
And then these dogs
just kept rolling. There we go.
All right, so the way it's supposed to work.
Okay, Wiggles, back up. Waggles, get down.
This Rubble is right here, so he goes right here, and then he goes and he causes Humdinger. Buddy.
Maybe Wiggles.
Buddy. We're gonna put a tree over there. You just leave this alone.
You can't see it.
Well, there's a tree, buddy. All right, so watch. Then this goes, and it's supposed to make Humdinger fall like that, and then down he goes. That time it actually worked.
Look,
too.
he made it on it.
Oh look, the time we didn't actually film the whole thing, he made it all the way down. All right, so let's see if we can find any more members of PAW Patrol. Okay.
All right, Wiggles, you're gonna have to get down, buddy. Come on, buddy.
You guys are kind of.
Okay, you can stay up there if you want. Wiggles.
You can say that, bud. You'll protect the lookout tower for us.
I can handle a little turtle.
All right, she can handle a little turtle. All right, so we found Rubble. Just to give you an idea. Now, where should we go next?
Over here.
Okay. So this is the shopping center.
Wiggles, Waggles, Waffles, you wanna buy any treats here? You wanna buy some treats?
You know what their favorite thing is
Whoa.
to eat at home, don't you?
Treats.
No, what do we
Chicken.
eat that they always want?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
I don't think we have. Here, can you hit me a treat and I'll ring them up for it?
Okay, maybe one left.
What?
This is, I see popcorn behind you, by the way.
Okay, Waggles, do you want this treat? Well, you're gonna have to pay for it. Can you ring it up? Well, he has the credit card. He has the credit card in his mouth. Hey, Waggles, you got to pay.
You gotta pay,
You
buddy.
gotta pay.
The treat's right there. There's the treat. There's the treat.
Look.
You gotta get out of the conveyor belt, buddy. You trying to get it, buddy? Oh.
All right, I'll let you have it, Waggles.
All right, good boy, Waggles. Hey, wait a minute, right down there.
Zuma.
Zuma, and look, in the back, I think there's some squishy popcorn.
Ooh, popcorn.
Ooh, movie theater popcorn, right? We like that. And the dolls like it too.
That was funny, Waggles. No, guys, don't eat the popcorn.
You're like, it's not.
They
real.
don't know. They only know it's popcorn because they can hear it pop.
Yeah, they definitely like popcorn. So what'd you do with Zuma?
Zuma's right here.
Okay, so I'll take Zuma. So here's Zuma's little
More.
rescue vehicle.
More popcorn.
More. And then, hey, look, up by the slide.
Skye!
Take to the sky. Why don't you have her and Zuma race down to see who's faster?
Okay.
So here they are. They're going to start right here on the slide, and they got to go all the way down.
3, 2, 1. Oh, Waggles.
Oh, I think
Waggles stopped Zuma.
I think Skye made it to the bottom first.
Are you
Let's have
okay,
him. Let's have him go first. Let's have him go again.
Okay,
But
Waggles.
he can't stand in front of him. So here's Skye.
You're in the line of fire. Okay.
So up they go. So let's see. So there is Skye. and
1,
Zuma.
2, 1, 2, 3. Release them.
Go!
Oh, Skye won.
I think Skye did
But
win.
Zuma made it farther.
Oh yeah, good point. Let's see. Zuma made it to right there, and Skye's right here. All right, let's take them over by the PAW Patrol lookout tower so they can join Rubble, okay?
Okay.
So we found 2 of our pups. So here they are. They hang out right here.
Oh.
Oh, she almost made it. Let's pull this all the way out. I think this is what gets us in trouble with it.
Bro, Wiggles.
All right, ready? Let's try Zuma.
Oh, right next to Skye.
Good job. All right, so we still have to find Marshall, Chase, and who else?
Marshall, Chase, Rocky?
And Rocky. That's right. Okay.
Marshall.
We found 3 members of PAW Patrol, but 3's not enough.
We still need double.
Okay. And we'll find them all and we're gonna bring them back.
Okay. This way, we've checked. Waffles, you want to check the stables?
Here's your pony cycles. Wait a minute.
What? Oh my! Chase!
Chase is on the zebra. I mean, Case.
Cupcake.
Hey, you want to ride one? Why don't you ride one over? See what the dogs do when they see you out of the zebra.
They say, I don't want any part of this. Whoa! Watch out, Waggles. Whoa! Oh no, I gotta turn. Turn. Woo!
Wow. Oh. You're riding it all the way over here.
Yeah, I gotta ride it back to the stable. Hold
People,
on.
which one would you want to ride? Which ponycycle would you want to ride?
We
They're
also
really
have
good exercise, aren't they?
We also have a baby one.
We also have a baby one. That's right.
Just
His name-
like Waffles, there's a baby.
His name is Thunder.
Come on, guys. This is, okay. Fred, Cupcake, Bunker, and Thunder.
And Thunder, way down there, right?
Yes.
All right, so we found Chase. He was on the zebra's head. What was the zebra's name again?
Cupcake.
Cupcake, that's right. All right, so there's a fire truck. Who would be in a fire truck?
Waggles, check the fire truck. What's in here? What's in there? What is in there? I got this. Oh, watch out.
Is there anything in there, guys? Is there anything in there? I think they see something. Why don't we move the fire truck and see what...
Oh, Waffles escaped. You see anything?
I think so. Wait a minute. Yeah, wait, right down there.
Can you grab it?
I don't think so. Not the camera. There you go. All right, let's put that down and see what you found.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's Marshall.
You found Marshall in a fire truck, right? That makes a lot of sense.
Right.
All right, we've got to find Rocky. Wags, Waffles, do you know where he could be? Do you know where he's at? Apparently this way. Apparently this way. Through the tunnel.
Doggies, look! Look!
There's an inflatable lookout tower.
They didn't realize I picked up a treat.
Oh, you picked up a treat?
Waggles. Look,
Wait
Waggles.
a minute! Waffles, what are you doing in there?
It's in here, Waffles. It's in here. It's in this one.
Throw it back over here, assistant. I think there's something in here.
Ready? Go.
Good
Oh,
job.
Waffles, you're not in the right spot at all. It's right like here.
But assistant, look.
Oh, I found it. I found it. I found it. Here you go.
Good girl. Well, look what's in that corner right there.
It's Wiggles. What corner?
Right underneath Wiggles.
Oh, Wiggles? Wait. Oh, Ash. Rocky!
You found Rocky. All right,
Oh.
let's take him back. All right, we got to get Wiggles out because Wiggles is going to be stuck.
Growling. Okay, here.
All right, I got Wiggle. I got Rocky.
You already got the treat that was in here, bro. Oh my.
All right, well, she'll come back. She'll join us in a minute. Okay, take her out. Waffles, you got to go out. Waffles.
Wiggles, you actually can't go in there. You can't go in there, Wiggles. There's no treats in there, bro.
All right, let's just go. We gotta take them back.
What have we done?
Back through the tunnel. People, we used to have more tunnels. Do you like it with more or less tunnels? I think we like it both ways. All right, so first up is Rocky. He's got to see if he can make it to the mighty tower. So here goes Rocky. He's gonna go up right there,
Ciao, Waggles.
and let's see what happens. Good job. He fell behind Waggles. All right. Next up, we have.
Where is Wiggles, Waffles?
I don't know. Next up, we have Marshall.
I have a good feeling about Marshall. No!
Oh, he almost made it. So far, Rubble's the only one that was like a total failure. And now Chase is on the case, our final dog.
Ta-da! Oh, that was really good. Chase made it really far.
Let's try it one more time.
He's gonna go backwards now.
Waggles is
Maybe
like,
forward facing is the right way to do it.
Waggles is like, what's going on?
He's
All right, so
confused.
we found all the members of PAW Patrol. We had them go down. We had some help from our dogs. They did a good job of hiding.
Although they weren't really a help.
They weren't.
More of a hindrance.
All right. Well, were you guys hindrances or helps? Were you a help or a hindrance?
Definitely Wiggles was not a big help.
Waffles, were you a help? Wiggles, what about you?
Like, especially since you almost got stuck in the ball pit and you were blocking the ramp.
Yeah, that was a problem. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, right?
Right.